What's up, guys? In today's video, we're comparing Herdr versus Orca to see which AI agent orchestrator is worth using in 2026. First, Herdr is a lightweight, terminal-based tool that lets you manage multiple AI coding agents in persistent sessions. It's a great choice if you work with terminals, SSH, or remote servers. On the other hand, Orca takes a more visual approach. It provides a graphical workspace for managing multiple AI coding agents, making it easier to organize your project. So, what's the difference? Herder is best for terminal users, SSH, and lightweight workflows. Orca is best for users who prefer a visual interface and easier agent management. Overall, choose Herder if you prefer the command line, or Orca if you want a more visual experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.